If you're struggling to sleep at night, I want you to stop thinking about bedtime and start thinking about the moment that you open your eyes in the morning. I'm Tiffany Anderson, a wellness coach, a health educator, and a patient advocate. I'm also someone who manages chronic health conditions, arthritis, osteoporosis, dual hip replacements. And I've spent decades figuring out how to actually rest despite all of that. And today I want to share with you the morning routine that completely changed my sleep. Not a wind down routine. This is a wake up routine. Because how you start your day is what sets the stage for how deeply you sleep at night. Now here's why this is significant. Our bodies run on a natural rhythm, a cycle of waking and sleeping that's influenced by light, by movement, and by what we eat. And when we get that wake cycle right, our body knows when to wind down. It's not magic, it's just biology working the way it's supposed to. So here are the 4 pillars that I build my mornings around. And these have worked for me through surgeries and recovery, grief, and aging. They can work for you too, wherever you're starting from. Now, the first thing I do is get light. I do use a light box during my morning leg lifts, and this signals to my body that the day has started. Now, if you can get outside for just 10 minutes of natural sunlight, that's even better. This isn't just about mood, though light does help with that. The light actually influences our pituitary gland, and that helps to regulate the sleep-wake cycle. Now, you don't need the light box. Open your curtains, step outside with your coffee. Just aim to get some light on your face early in the morning, ideally first thing in the day. Now, I do have a morning fitness routine. This is my second pillar. It's all about movement. This daily fitness is something that I've built and rebuilt over the years, including through my recovery from 2 hip replacement surgeries when I was barely walking a block on crutches. And today my fitness routine includes cardio, standing abs, and balance work. And all of this has specifically been designed for mature adults. Now, movement does ease our morning stiffness, yes, but it also burns off that kind of tension that can keep us awake at night. Our bodies are designed to move, and when they do, they rest better. Start small, a walk, deep breathing, even leg lifts in a chair. There is some type of movement available for every body. Now this leads to my third pillar, which is all about nourishment. And it starts with something warm. And right now it's herbal tea, and then I'm making some oatmeal that I will add collard greens to and top with blueberries. I make my own oat milk, and if I have some on hand, I will add lemon zest. And this might sound fancy, but it's genuinely simple. Warming our bodies in the morning with a drink, a nourishing breakfast. This is a form of self-care that our nervous system notices. It says, the day is calm, you're safe, and that matters when you're managing chronic pain or chronic conditions because your body is already working hard. And this is my 4th pillar. I call it soothing. And this one is personal. I manage chronic pain without relying heavily on prescription medications because I want to feel present and not numb. So my morning routine is designed to reduce the pain signals naturally through movement, warmth, gentle stretching, and honestly, just making peace with how my body feels. What I've done over the years is I've made friends with the achiness. I respect it, and I don't fight it every morning. I work with it. And that shift in mindset, combined with my physical routine, has made more difference than any pill ever did. So let me summarize. Everything I've just walked you through, the light, the movement, the nourishment, the intentional soothing, all of this is building up towards tonight. And you're setting a timer in your body. And right now, that's saying at the end of this day, you will sleep. If you take nothing else from this video, take this. Don't wait until bedtime to think about sleep. Start tomorrow morning and pick one pillar, just one, and add light or add movement or start your day with something warm and nourishing. See what happens. I'm 61 this year, and this is the best I've slept in my life. It took time, it took patience, and it took being kind to myself. You can get there too. If this message resonated with you, I'd love to hear how you're sleeping and what you're incorporating into your routine. Drop it in the comments. And visit my website for free tools and resources, including my new ebook on the foundational practices I've used for decades to better manage chronic conditions. The links are below. Take good care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.